Alright, YouTubers, we're going to make this new base for this anvil that we restored. Already got the base cut to the height I want. Just got to pick this heavy son of a gun up and put it on there. So if anybody wants to help, just let me know. Alright, we got her on there. I only lost one of my begonias into my sock picking that thing up. So now we're going to get some bolts, some lag screws, and screw her down into there, and hopefully she holds. So let me grab the lag screws and we'll start screwing. I'm going to pre-drill these if I can get it in there. Try the other side. Maybe I can get it in there. It'll be pretty tricky. Maybe we'll try marking it and moving it out of the way, eh? Alright, we're back. I got them pre-drilled. Get them started in there. It wasn't easy. We need to maybe probably have to use a wrench to get them finished. Let's see what we can do here. I'm going to finish them off with a ratchet. Alright kids, we're back with the old gear wrench. Give that a tightening down. I'm going to get some longer ones and put in here. I think these are too short. Get some ones that are about 6 inches and really crank them down in there. Alright, we're ready to beat on this thing.